Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Wix website editor. First, navigate to your Wix dashboard and select Edit Site to open the editor. You'll immediately see the intuitive drag-and-drop interface, which is your primary workspace. On the left, you'll find the main toolbar, offering quick access to elements like text, images, and sections. The top bar provides essential functions such as saving your progress, previewing your site, and ultimately publishing it for the world to see. Now, let's dive into adding and customizing elements. From the Add Elements menu on the left, you can simply drag and drop text boxes, images, buttons, and more directly onto your page. Once an element is selected, a small settings panel appears, allowing you to adjust its size, change colors, select fonts, and modify other properties. For precise placement, utilize the alignment guides that appear automatically, or manage complex layouts with the Layers panel. Effective site navigation is crucial for user experience. Head over to the Pages and Menu panel to add new pages and organize your site structure. You can easily reorder pages or create subpages to build a clear, hierarchical menu. Each page also has its own settings, where you can customize important details like the page title, description, and URL slug, which are vital for search engine optimization. Finally, it's time to get your website online. Always use the preview button to see how your site looks on both desktop and mobile devices, ensuring a consistent experience. If you have a premium plan, you can connect a custom domain name, giving your site a professional and memorable address. Once you are completely satisfied, simply click the Publish button, and your brand new Wix website will be live for the world to explore.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.